Hey, good day, all my dear friends. Here, that's the 1 to 50 scale. Very cute. All hydraulic. CNC alloy excavator. K970. 3 valve. Yeah, it's fine max CNC and polishing fine piston valve. This one, we have many details to check about. Let's see the door. Yeah, I need fingernail. It's so small, so cute. To open the door, inside see the seat decorations. All the body is a CNC alloy with a small decorations. The handlebars they are steel one. Front have the protecting net steel. Okay, the back, and we have this track. The material is moved making steel, and hand this leather. The body, the bridge chassis is the CNC alloy. This driver wheel also CNC alloy inside with steel, very tiny gears. You need a nipper to take it to move it. And this side, let's have a look. The side pads on top have the steel net, shining one. On top, sorry, it's secured by magnetic. 4 magnetic secure. On top we have the steel plate, and this one is a copper tuning. Secure back, magnet. And top, this cover, we see from top we have all these steel plate decoration. Top cover also can be removed directly. It's secured by also 4 magnetic. And that's the small receiver for all the function control. It's a modified one, especially for this small space. And I will lift a little bit. Here on there we will see that's the white color 3 servo for turning this wheel block. From this angle you see the shiny silver color, that's the 3 wheel block together. Piston one. And here that's the oil tank, fill up hydraulic oil from here. I push it back, and here cover back magnetic. And let's see from chassis. All this we can see this bridge from left to right is all CNC alloy, driven to cover all alloy, and with this steel plate protection for the big arm cylinder. You have to be very carefully looking at the beautiful details of this copper pipe for the oil channel. Rear side hose, copper pipe on the big arm, copper pipe on the cylinder, and copper pipe here again on the cylinder. Also here on the small arm, also copper pipe. I will raise it. It's smoothly hydraulic running. And forward this bucket. Actually we got manually here, spring, pressing down, unlock. This one, 2 pin. And here that's a lock, that's a hook. You see from this angle, you will check, can see the hook. So tiny and cute. And it can be done so finely moving because it's very accurate CNC making all the parts. Align, lock. Is it in position? Yes. Drive, pump. Let's move. Change the angle to show you. Now I will drop the arm. Yeah, let's see the rotation position. You see how finely, smoothly, quietly it's running. Yeah, on top here. This on the big arm bridge here, that's the rotation motor. And we see from forward on the big arm, that is for the rotation gearbox. It's in the middle there at the front. Drive. Spinning. Forehead. Pull it back. And let's do the rotation. So this cover I didn't put back tight. The receiver, yeah, tight and cover it in position. Let's see the weight of this one. Holy, it's only 0.78 kg. Let's see the power of the hydraulic lifting itself. All the way lifting, all the way. Putting down, lifting from left side. So it's less than 1 kg. Left track drive, rotation, put down a little bit. Rotate and drive. Sorry, I pushed it wrong. Rotation back. That's the powerful drive. And let's see this side. Rotation together. That's the rotation power. And drive on the left side, which is on the table. Drive on the right side and the rotation same time, yeah. Now again, right is on the table, left side actually. So you don't worry about the power and the quality. I show you all the drive. This one I have been testing a long time, then I show you this detailed video because it's 1 to 50 scale new to us. So I have to make sure this one well done, good quality. Let's see how it's moving for combination digging. Very smooth. Love this cute details one. Well, if this one later, to be honest, need maintenance, I believe you need one set of tiny tools. That's the power. Directly lift up. Let's see if you're putting all the bucket forward, if you can lift or not. Yeah, a little less. Need to be back a little bit. Now can lifting. That's the power. Yeah, forward actually can directly lifting because just now I already put all the big arm down, yeah. Can lifting directly from even all the arm forward. Swing back. You want to see the power? Shall we climb on? Let's go. Climbing. Wow, that's a big angle. Don't drop me. Well, in position in the back. No, oh, we support. Big arm down, then continue back.